Yesterday, we were practicing going on and off the expressway about 5 times. My client got up to speed, about 45, 50 on the ramp, accelerate on, got into the acceleration lane, and we got up to about 65 or 70. I said, great job. G-R-E-A-T, job, J-O-B. Good instructors are excited that their clients do well. And that type of enthusiasm and care, C-A-R-E, is really important because I understand as an instructor that it can be very overwhelming for a teen or an adult or someone in their 20s, 30s, 40s, or 50s to get acclimated back on the road. So you have to be patient and you have to be supportive of them. Slows down at proper deceleration lane. A lot of beginners slow down too late. You're in the curve, you hit the brakes, we literally slide off because centrifugal force is pulling us to the outside of the curve. And what happens? Beginning drivers overcorrect. So the rear of the car spins out. So go slow before you get into the curve. Your road tester will smile, they'll be happy, and you'll be rewarded with a higher grade. Proper signaling, 100 feet or half a block. If you're making a right turn, you need to turn your blinker 100 feet or half a block. How many blinks? 3 to 5. This gives people behind you a chance to slow down, to change a lane. If you wait too long, they could rear end you. You're gonna go over 15 or 20 into the curve and you're gonna overturn. A lot of beginners tend to overturn. They can't judge distance. And then literally you almost missed a turn. Next, you want to make sure you prepare to stop or merge into traffic smoothly. Sometimes you have to yield. Yield means slow down. Y-E-I-L-D. Stop. S-T-O-P. Stop means stop. 3 seconds to 5 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003. You stop completely. Then after that, you look left, you look right, you check.